Hi everyone, I'm Shanna from Colorlight.
Hi everyone, I'm Jamie from Colorlight.
Today I and Jamie will bring you a truly new product, AX08. The new AX08 is called the AI Media Station. Why is it considered AI?
The AI Media Station name reflects its core. Beyond voice interaction, it intelligently optimizes image display. This is powered by proprietary AI capabilities we engineered directly into the AX08 platform. First, our AISR combines deep learning with image enhancement. It brings back lost details and colors, making every frame vivid. Then there's the AI MEMC. It predicts where things are moving, inserts extra frame when needed, and tweaks pixel refresh rates. The result? No more blur or jitters during faster action.
Got any old videos? Let's bring them back to life. With AX08, say, "Hi Colorlight, turn on AISR." Now we can see sharper outlines, more natural skin tones, and every frame looks untouched by time. Those fuzzy moments are instantly transformed into stunning 4K visuals. Even during wireless casting from external devices, AX08's powerful processing kicks in instantly. Just say, "Hi Colorlight," open wireless mirroring, and it enhances incoming images in real time.
Yes, and we've all suffered through painful presentation fails. Fuzzy text forcing fellow colleagues to squint and back. Can you repeat that? Jittery animation turning slick slides into flipbook nightmares. Ghosted mouse trails making pointers look wrong. Now, it's time to meet your new presentation hero, AX08. Macro text clarity, formulas and footnotes stay razor sharp, buttery transitions. 30 FPS content flows at silky 60 FPS.
Every detail is crisp, every slide glides effortlessly, every delivery is unforgettable. I had no idea AX08 could process real-time data this perfectly. That's amazing. AX08 can also optimize HDMI input signals. Say, "Hi Colorlight, switch to HDMI 1." World Cup action deserves flawless viewing, yet traditional gear blurs it in motion. AX08 delivers AI-enhanced clarity, revealing player details, pitch textures, and cloud reactions, while motion compensation ensures every slide tackles and goal shot glides seamlessly. Zero lag, pure immersion.
Beyond the features we've shown, AX8's voice assistant covers a wide range of daily use cases. Take a screenshot, turn down the volume, open the zoom. Now you can see why AX08 truly deserves this title. It's both voice interaction and display optimization. AI Media Station is absolutely the right name.
We welcome you to experience and explore more AI applications with AX08. Thanks for watching. We will continue to introduce more features of AX08. Please follow the Colorlight channel to learn more.
Bye.